Hey, welcome around to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome once again. What do I have for you today? Another excellent recipe. Creamy Dijon chicken with bacon and spinach. When this stuff goes together, trust me, it is really good. And it's easy to make, trust me. So, here we go. Well, here's the good stuff. I have chicken thighs with butter, onions, cream, white dry wine, and all these other goodies. Trust me, this thing is going to be very delicious, very creamy, and it's going to be really smooth. And when everything is blended together, it just is a harmony of music. Oh my God, where am I going with this? So, let me show you how to put this all together. Let's start with a large pan over medium heat with about 2 tablespoons of any type of cooking oil. And let's put in 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or you can really use any part of the chicken that you would like. So let's fry these chicken thighs, and we're gonna let it go for about 8 to 9 minutes more or less on each side, depending on the thickness of the chicken. Okay, still on medium heat now. Let's turn them over. It's been about, I would say, 9 minutes, and maybe it'll take maybe another 8, 9 minutes to finish the chicken off. Now it's done. It's slightly golden brown, and let's remove it to another pan, but then we'll bring it back. Now, without cleaning the pan, let's put in about 5 ounces or half a package of bacon, and let's chop it into little pieces just like this. So this now depends on you. Do you want your bacon crispy, or do you want it a little on the soft side? I like it a little on the soft side because for some reason it gives me more taste. Now let's remove all the bacon into another dish. Now into the same pan without cleaning it, add about 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium chopped onion, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. If you want to add more, I leave that up to you. And now let's stir it around and let's get this thing cooked. Now here comes some powerful flavors. 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary and 1 teaspoon of tarragon. Now here you can add any type of spice or herbs you want. That's really up to you at this point. So let this go for about 2 to 3 minutes, still on medium heat. And now here comes the good stuff. About half a cup of dry white wine. And here I'm using my favorite, a Portuguese wine. Now here I'm adding half a cube of chicken stock. You can use more, but I don't want it to become too salty. And now let's add some pepper. Add as much as you want at this point. Now here comes the Dijon mustard. Let's add about 2 tablespoons or more if you want. And now let's increase the heat to high and let's stir and get all those delicious juices and scrapings off the bottom and into the liquid. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes on high right now. It has reduced the liquid a little bit. Now let's add 1.5 cups of cream and sour cream mixed in about 50 to 50 ratio. And for some color, let's add about 2 cups of baby spinach leaves. And this is going to give it some color and some texture. And now let's not forget the parsley. About a quarter cup should do. And you can use any parsley you want. Boy, this really looks good. I'm getting hungry. Now let's take the chicken thighs and return it now to the mixture. Bring the heat down to medium because I really don't want anything to burn at this point or get it out of control. Now let's blend in this sauce perfectly over the chicken. Now, I'm using thighs because I like thighs. But you know something? You can use chicken legs or chicken breast whatever you want with this recipe. You know something? I think I'm going to make another dish like this, but I'm going to use chicken breasts. And to finish it off, put your bacon on top. Oh my God. You know, when I'm doing these videos, I get so hungry. I know I already ate the thing, but I'm still hungry. Now we're going to let this go for about 20 minutes. And if you noticed, I brought the camera in just to tease you. To tease you to see if you will make this recipe and see how awesome it is. So again, we reached the end of the video. Another chapter closed in another recipe. So now all I can say is thank you very much for allowing me to show you this video. It's goodbye once again from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye for now.